Hi, it's MJ Moss from Iron Valley Real Estate. Want to invite you all who are interested in buying a home to come to the free homebuyers workshops. One is being held at the Bloomsburg Municipal Airport Meeting Room on October 22nd. That's Saturday morning from 10 till noon. There'll be a full team of us there to get you all up and running on how to buy a home and make sense of it all, especially in this market. The other one is Tuesday night, the 25th, October 25th, at the McBride Memorial Library on Market Street in Bloomsburg. They have a great meeting room upstairs, and there is an elevator. So come on down to one or the other, or both if you want to. Reserve a seat, because we expect a crowd. And any of those participants who decide to go ahead and buy a house with me, hello, MJ Moss, will get $100 toward closing costs. So, come on out. Let's talk.